Recording the sewer line here at 1927 East Blenheim in Broadmoor here. Date is January 25th, 2021. Making this recording after a sewer repair project done by Bob Oates Plumbing. What we're looking at right now is the Seattle City main. We're going to come back from the city main and get a look at the rest of the pipe here. Alright. Okay, coming back here, we're in 6-inch diameter clay pipe. Coming back from the main, back towards the cleanout we installed along the side of the house here. A little bit of waste down there at the bottom, that's typical of a sewer line. Into our PVC repair. So we did a repair down here near the sidewalk. So there's that PVC repair down the sidewalk. This is in a section where the pipe was diving and had some issues, so we replaced that with new PVC. We also installed a cleanout access down there. Coming back now into 4-inch diameter concrete pipe. This is all original 4-inch concrete, intact and functioning. Coming back around a turn, kind of right outside the house here. Here's that turn. Coming back up towards our other PVC repair. So we did another PVC repair here at the transition from cast iron to the old concrete pipe. Coming back up out of that PVC repair cleanout. Here's our access point we installed on the side of the home. Tied in this downspout sewer that's grandfathered into the sewer. It was already tied in. And that's the end of the deal.